Hello everyone, in this video we see the another problem on a perspective drawing. A figure below shows the plan and elevation of a structure. Draw the scale 2-point perspective. It means you have to draw a 2-point perspective drawing. This is the plan and elevation given. As in this plan, PP, that is the picture plan, is given. The inclination is also given. SV point, where SP point is located, there will be a one point we consider. From that point we can draw the SP with how much dimension, the steps dimension, and all dimensions are clear in this plan. And this is the elevation of that plan. This is the simple staircase, in short the staircase like structure. Okay, first step is draw a picture plan. We can draw a picture plan and we can consider one point. With that point we draw a plan with the 30-degree inclination. We can draw a plan, you can see, with the 30-degree inclination. Next one, we draw the station point 6 meter below. From that reference point we draw a station point 6 meter below. You can see over there dimensions. Then draw a ground line. As I can say in a as ground level or a ground line is draw at any distance from the picture plan vertically. That's why we can draw a reference line but vertically, picture plan parallel to vertically. This is the ground line, and from that ground line, the above ground line is about the 3 meter. Okay, this is the dimension of a 3 meter. Then we can draw the elevation. We can draw here the elevation which is given in a problem. Then project all the corners through SP or a meet SP. Okay, as those all the corners which we want to show in a 3D diagram, those all corners we can meet to the SP, and also we can extend the VLP and RVP. Okay, up to the from picture point to the ground line. Means in this step we can draw those two lines and those all projections. Okay, then project the VLP and RVP to meet at E. As we get the one point, reference point, vertically to the SP on a ground line, though I can note it as a point number 1, and we have to project the lines from VLP to and RVP meet at the point 1. Okay, that's why we can draw those two lines, first one and the second one. In a second point, similarly we have the second point which is having a 3 meter height from the point 1, and same VLP is projected to point 2 and also RVP is projected to point 2. Then all the vertical lines we can project it to up to the VLP meet at the point 1 and RVP meet at the point 1. Those the up to this projection line we can extend all those vertical lines. Okay, this is the next step. Next, extend the elevation horizontally. What we can do, we have the elevation, it means we have the height, and from the elevation we get the height. From the plan we get the length and a width ratio, and from the elevation we can get the height. And by using 3 dimension, all those 3 dimension, our building made the 3 dimensional. That's why we required height too. That's why elevation projections also we can mark as these are the 1 point, second point, and third point. Okay, everyone understand? This is what we can do. From that particular point we can mark this point, from that point we can mark this point, from that point we can mark this point. Okay, understand? Thus vertical, elevation we can mark it. Then next one, project HVP and RVP. It means we can mark 3 points of all the point 1 and point 2 is already projected with VLP and RVP, but the remaining 3 points which we can draw in a last step, those 3 points can also projected with the VLP and RVP. You can see that VLP with VLP and with RVP. and with from that we can draw our plan. I can highlight it over there, you can see. Likewise, this is my final perspective drawing of that particular problem which is given to you. Same whole problem, the plan is given which we can incline with the picture plan with a 30-degree. Also we can draw a SP point, then the GL line, and from that GL there from 3 meter 1.5 meter there will be we mark what VLP and RVP as up to the center of the height. As the total height is 3 meter, the center of the height is 1.5 meter, that's why thus VLP and RVP points are located at the height of a 1.5 meter. Okay, understand everyone? This is the second problem of a perspective drawing. Likewise, we can make the 3D diagram of any kind of a object. Okay, thank you.